Here's pre-calc. It's problem 9-59. It says Derek has been raising steers for 5 years. Each year he contributes the money that he makes from the sale of his steer to his college fund. This year he was able to sell his 1,375 pound steer for $2.03 a pound. Each year the price per pound has increased by 6%. What should he expect to sell his steer for in the 12th year? So there's an easy way and a hard way to do this. I started out with the easy way, and then I got a little confused, and I ended up doing it the hard way. But then let me tell you the easy way first. The easy way is, we know, like, what I'm trying to do is, I've got y equals a times b to the x. I know it's exponential, and I know what b is. That's the multiplier, because it goes up by 6%, so you go 1 plus the rate. So my question about this was, what should be a? What should be my starting point? Because really we don't know what a was. So you could look at it like, we got some ordered pairs. You know, like in the 0th year, well, we don't know how much it costs. And then in the 5th year, because he's been doing it for 5 years, and now it's $2.03. The problem is we don't know that, right? So we don't know what the price started out as. So I went and found out actually what A was, and I'll show that to you in a minute. But another way to look at it is, if you want to just do it the very fast way, is just count now as the 0th year. Even though we know he's been doing it for 5 years, count the $2.03 as like now. And that's going to be your starting point, so that'll be A. And then in 12 years, that's 7 years from now, because it's like, now it's the 5th year, and then plus 7 more would be the 12th year. And then we want to know this. So if I do it this way, it's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to go y equals, if that is the 0th term, or if that's the starting point, then I know that's A. So I can just plug that in for A. And I already know what B is. And I already have an X, right, because this is an X and a Y. I already have an X, and all I have to do is put that in my calculator. So you just go 1.06 to the 7th power, and then multiply that by 2.03, and you're going to end up with 3.05. Your answer book says $3.06, but I don't think that's right, because I did the problem 2 different ways, and I got $3.05, and also my big orange answer key with the worked out solutions also has $3.05. It rounds to $3.05. So that's one way to do it. The other way, if you didn't do it this way, is you could think of it as, well, I'll just show you right here is, wait, don't look there. I thought of it as, in the 5th year, like I thought of it like this. In the 5th year, it was $2.03. So I put that in for Y, and then I wanted to solve for A. I knew what B was, so I did it like this. And then when I raised 1.06 to the 5th power, I got that. And then I divided 2.03 by that. And I got A, oh yeah, I got my number for A. And I just kept that in my calculator, and then I went y equals A times B to the 12th. And it did come out to be about 3.05. So either way that you think of it, it was a pretty confusing problem. And also they gave you the pounds, like how many pounds the cow was, and And it was a little confusing, but there's two ways you can do it.